Simon sold his car for a premium price. So, how was it?
Just profiled my car online, got their best offer, and sold it for 16 grand.
The Oak Furniture and Bank Holiday sale is on right now, and you can save on every range. Whatever your style, find furniture for every room. And whether you choose one of our new upholstered beds, a gorgeous dining table,
Cooking course?